dashboard where I'm going to create a small dashboard on the right side. That dashboard I want to be from 1 to 10. That's only that much. I don't want from 1 to 100. So by this time, what I will do, I'll make this minimum 1, maximum 10. Only that much, 1 to 10. Okay. So then let me create, click on apply and click on OK. So can you see on the left side something called as parameters? See whether you're getting while doing.
Yes, sir.
You're getting the parameters?
Yes, sir. Top 10.
Yeah, top 10. So now what I will do, click on this parameters on this arrow mark, small arrow mark. So there is something called as show parameters. Just click on that. There is something called as what? Show parameters. Just click on that. So can you see on the right side, a small pan is coming like this?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So now just click like this. 9, 8, 7, 2. The top 2 are getting highlighted. Then the top 4 are getting highlighted. See, check it out. We change and check it out. So the same place, what if I, instead of moving like this, increasing and decreasing, what if I wanted to enter the values manually? I want to enter the values manually. So then what I'm supposed to do, can you see a small down arrow mark here? Just click on this. So there is something called as type in. Just click on that. So you'll be getting this like this, a box. Clear? So if I enter here 4, top 4. If I enter here, 7, top 7. 6, 8, like this. Anyone? Any doubts?
No, sir.
So next, the same thing, we are going to work how to use parameters and sets. Okay, so before doing that parameters and sets, first let me explain separately sets what it is. In simple view. So for example, let me take sum of cells based on subcategory. Okay, and let me make it like this. So just take sum of cells and subcategory. Taken. So now what I will do the easiest way. So here I'm going to say the easiest way of doing the steps. Then let me tell you that how to use the sets in the parameters also. Okay. So have anyone? So let me give something like what is sets? I'll give the definition of that. Okay. So sets is nothing but like collection of few elements. This is nothing but called as what? Collection of few elements. Clear here? Now, So just click and drag like this. For example, I want to make a set differently. So people means the sales which are lesser than 600K, which are lesser than this one. Let me click here and select like this. Just drag and select. Selected. Just hold this cursor there for 2 seconds. You're getting this pan here. Can you see a small arrow mark here? Like small circles like inner join. Just click on this. You can create a set. Okay. So I can give a name for this also. Set 1 I'm giving. Okay. So here everything are there. Can you see this one? Can select manually also. But what happens? Automatically already has selected. Which and all has to come here. This much. So it automatically selected here. Okay. If I want to neglect anything, I can close it from this place. And just let me click on OK. So can you see here? Automatically one set has been created. Is there on the left side? Anyone? Any other doubts? See whether it
No,
is
sir.
created on the left.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Created.
sir.
Yeah. So just drag and drop into the colors. See what is the changes happening. So who are out, who are all in. So based on the sets which I want to highlight in or in the blue colors, which are all out or which are in the gray color. This is the easiest way of doing that sets. Just drag and finish it up. That's it. Work is over. So let's see one more method how we have to do fill parameters with the sets. Parameters with the sets. So what I'm going to do here. So take same thing, sum of sales and subcategory here. Let me create ascending or descending order here. Okay. So I'm going to create sets. So here what we have done based on something bottom, right? Okay, let's create sets based on subcategory. Create a set. See, we're taking just, can you see the left side subcategory? Just click on this arrow mark. On that pan, just go up, create sets. Okay, so here I'm going to give a name for this. Let me give set 2 with parameter. So that is without parameters. I have not used parameters there. So I'm going to use parameters here. So let me show you how I'm going to use the parameter here. So just select let set 2 with parameters. Click on the top 10 field. I think already we have taken some parameters, right? Which is the parameter in this place? There is that one, right? Top n. So I'm creating a set. Okay. with this top n. Now, what this parameter means, I'm creating a parameter with the sets or sets with the parameter, new sets with this particular parameter. I'm not taking by a new value, or I'm not going to create a new parameter. I'm going to take based on which I'm having already existing parameter, top 10. Just click on apply. That's it. Now you do drag and drop this set with set 2 with the parameters into the colors. Can you see the top 10 which are getting highlighted?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So here where we have done this top 10. So where you can see like this also. I'll be having like this. Okay. Show parameters with 2. That also let me show in the show set. Like this. Where you can set. And if you don't want, we can hide this. I don't want to show it. So it will be like top 5. Like this. I said top 5. Top 5. So this is the sets in the easiest form where I'm dragging and selecting like this, and I'm creating the sets. And one more, this one is nothing but where I'm taking the top 5 and creating the sets. I hope you all clear about this. What we have done here, base filter, just filter, and we have used here what? Parameters, right? So the parameter is very useful tool where you're creating for them a dashboard. So for them, it will be very easy. User UI means user interface. So there where whenever they want, they can range customly, they can change the ranges, custom filters we are giving for them based on the values what we are specifying. Okay, and this is sets. The fourth one, what we have done is nothing but called as sets with parameters. Clear? Okay, let me save this in a one more file. Parameter with sets like this. File, close. Open this. Create the coffee chain. Okay. Take global superstore only. Take the orders. So I'm going to ask you some question. One more question. Okay. So what is my question is, find the highest sale done by category and subcategory Find the highest sales done by category and subcategory. So just drop your answers. How can we go for this one? This is a question. Take one more time. Find the highest sale that done by category and subcategory. Your answers, please. Why silent? Why, ma? Anyone answer, please? What is my question? You understood my question or not? Find the highest sale done by category and subcategory.
So the highest sale is done by on the basis of subcategory, it's phone, and on the basis of category, it's technology.
So how we have to do it here? Subcategory and category. Okay. So now let me take the sales and let me show you first as the values, the textual format here. Okay. So let me descending the top one, right? Descending order. So see, can you see everyone here? So let me increase that. Oh, 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 oh. Why this not? So now can you see this one? So the top sales, that's what I was asking, right? Find the highest sales done by this category and subcategory. So can you see on furnitures, chairs and book. On office supplies, this two. For example, if I turn asking like top 10, then what you will do on all? So show me the top 10 sales done by subcategory and category. So where it is little difficult us to find out. So which is top one, this one, here two, and here two, six. Okay, here or to eight. And then I have to take this one 9. And then I think I have to take this one 10. So the top 10 sales, which is done by category and subcategory. So actually it is little difficult, right? So where I'm going asking like together. So here category is separate, subcategory is separate, and I can't highlight together also. So in this particular concept, in this case, what happens? We are getting a concept called as combine. We'll be having something called as what? Combine, which will help us in this type of situations. Okay. So combine is nothing but basically used to combine two or more dimensions together. Okay. Combine is basically used to combine two or more dimensions.
It's like the dual axis option, sir.
Yeah, slightly you can think. But what you've done, we have taken three things in one order. Okay. So at here, we are having in the rows only two things, means two dimensions we are having in the rows itself. I want to merge the two. Same thing nearly like that, what we have done only, but in a different way. In a textual format also we can say, but near, I mean, it's like 80% same thing, but not like that. It's a difference, slightly various. You can see that how it get various. So basically used to combine two or more concepts together. So what is the use of this combining this? So as I told you, I'm asking like this. So for example, I don't want G like this. I want category and subcategory having different columns. It is little tough for me to identify that. Okay. So now if I merge that also, so text will be merged. I can't able to find out it. So current furniture top to here and in supplies top to separately here like that. So I'm going to use that analyze. So I'm going to analyze this data with the better way where I can use that combine. So combine will be the better way to analyze this. So I'm going to do how, see here. Let me take a new sheet. The same things we are going to do it. First here on the left side, our question is based on what? Our question is having something dimensions from what? Category and subcategory, right? Select the subcategory and category. Just click on this arrow mark. Create. Can you see something called as combined field here? Getting? Just press and hold on the control key. Select the category and subcategory together.
Got it, sir.
Yeah. Just click on this. That's it. Okay. Then drag and drop that into the rows. Now can you see? Category and subcategory. Furniture, bookcase. So then what I will do in the bottom, take the sales and drop it into the text. So where let's see in the textual formatting understanding. So I want the top right. So let me order in the descending order from the top. Can you see? Technology phones, technology copiers, furniture charts, furniture in bookcase, okay, office supply storage, office supply appliance, and technology machines. So see, these are some of these things which are comes in the top. So which is a better way to show them? Which is this one or this one? When they ask the question, find the highest sales done by the category and subcategory. See, this will be better when you show them, or this will be better. See, even I'm
This
going to
one, sir.
highlight it. Yeah, the second one will be better always. Even if I'm going to highlight. So something colors like this. Okay, this is in different colors. Let me, based on sales, highlight like gradient colors. Okay, something I can show like this. So next, so everyone got this one? How to do this?
Yes, sir.
Result coming right? Okay, good. So the next question related to that only, you tell me the answer for this one. It's very easy. It's half of the things I told already. Okay, find the sales which are done. Okay, so it's find the highest sales. Highest sales which are respected to market, category, and subcategory. So everyone, please send your answers for this question. Fast, quick. The question is there. So how you will send? You will send by chat box, or you'll send the answer for this question in the WhatsApp. So do it fast and send me.
Sir, I have sent on WhatsApp group.
Okay. Okay, in the graph wise you sent. Okay. Good. Others? It is fine. Still neat. However, I told like gradient and all you used. All us are right. This one, but the views are different. That's it. Let's see if I here you taken sales and drop into the text texture view. Okay. So here it's just taken in the columns. So the graphical visual manner. And here you're done in that same thing. Fine. So I'm where you're doing gradient also. So clear, right? You're understanding, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So this is what the use of combining the different. Means combining is nothing but which makes your work easy. So when I ask something I want to combine, okay, based on that market and category and subcategory. So let me show from my side once. Market and let me take category and subcategory also here. And the sales. So this will be the values. Okay. So when I'm not combining, so when I combine, how it has to come. So what I'm going to do it. So market, selected, subcategory and category. Okay. Create a combined field. Okay. So can you see market, subcategory or combined category or combined one. This one, this is category and subcategory. And this is what category. Okay. Based on market, subcategory. These three are combined category, market and subcategory. This previously what I combined. So now let me drag and drop this out. Okay. So and let me drag and drop that. Okay. And let me make it the descending where I want to know the top things. So is that clear for everyone? I hope all of you understood this one because it's a very easy concept. But and the real time it is more important. Okay, so it's nothing but visual is nothing but how we are visualizing our their work to them. We have to appear. Okay, we're given the best appearance for them, for our customers. Okay, so then based on the questions or based on their requirements, we have to mention their visualization however they want. Is that clear? Everyone are getting this? So why? Because few of you sent, who have sent. Kanksha, Ankita, Vinuta, Afsan. 1, 2, 3. So what about others? Tanya, Tirupati. What about you? Palak,
Yes, sir.
where are you, ma? Where is your
Sir,
assignment?
I'm there only. Sir, I'm
Why-
there only. I'm facing network issues. That's why I haven't sent it to you. I'll do that, sir. Sir, I don't know. My laptop is hanging right now. That's why.
Ananya, you have sent. Afsan, Ruhi, you have not sent. Ayushi Raj Singh, Bhavana. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Why, sir? Where, sir? Where is that assignment, sir? Madam Ji,
I've sent it, sir.
where, madam? It's not there in the list. I can't able to see your name. Not Akanksha. Akanksha, not I'm asking. Bhavana. Akanksha, Afsan, Akanksha, yours are there. Tanya, Tirupati. Now you are sending. You asked to send. Okay. I hope all are you understood about this one. What our concept today we have done. Okay. So this is nothing but just a very easy concept. Combining. Okay. So this is combining with 2 and this is combining with 3 measures. Sorry, dimensions. And this is 2 dimensions and 3 dimensions. Based on dimensions, we are combining. And this is without combining how it reflects the data for us. Okay. So let's do that. Okay. Before that, okay, next class we are going to start off with calculation field.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, tell me, ma.
Sir, in the previous question, I'm getting 83,000 as the highest value, and you are getting 5 lakh something.
One second. Okay, taken sum of sales market category. Okay, so let's compare your thing, what you have done. Okay, your name?
Sir, Ankita.
Nikita. Yeah, is that yours? You taken category, subcategory, and sales. Make it to ascending or descending order. Make it to descending order.
Yes, sir. Yes, I got it. Okay, then.
Okay, yeah. So
Yes,
because
sir.
I ordered, that's why. So I
Okay,
say
sir.
top 10, right? You have to order right by descending, then it will be easy. That's why. Okay. So good. So we are not done well. So next class we are going to do calculated field. There is nothing but formulas. Calculated field is nothing but called as what? Formulas. I think likely in between we went and came about that, right? How to do sum of sales, sum of average, sorry, average of sales, sum of sales, count of sales. We are done about that. In between, and I think starting also we have went about that sales into number of discount, sales into discount, something we have went like that, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So, but that is a very basic multiplication, basic aggregating things. Okay, so before I enter into that, first I want to check your knowledges on formulas. Okay, so which I'll give. Just let me test you. Okay, why? Because you should know basic Excel formulas. So where it will help us to do in the Tableau, it will slightly help us to do that. So however you've done your Excel, right? So let's see that which will be fine for you to do. Okay, let's see some data for you. Okay, so formulas, so right. Okay, let's take a new file only. We'll do it. Yeah. So what are the formulas you learned in the Excel? Just a guide. Once a small demo. What are the formulas you learned? What are the formulas you know in the Excel? So last 10 minutes there, quick, please. Why, ma? Answers. You'll not tell. Or I have to call everyone. One by one, I
Sir,
shall
can you
call.
repeat the question?
What are the formulas you have done in Excel? Means what are the formulas you know in Excel? Some basic formulas you know, right? What are the formulas you know in Excel? You tell me. Means you're
Sir,
done.
count.
It's
Yes, sir. Sir, count A, countif, counters, averages, and average. Then pivot. Sorry, VLOOKUPs, and then
Okay. So this and all you know. Others, anyone? Different?
norm dot s dot test and norm dot test and norm dot inverse and
Okay. So you
standardize.
standardized. Okay. You all done about this, right? So why? Because I'm going to slightly with Excel also first. First we'll do slightly with Excel. Why? Because this is going to carry this. So I want to know how you have understood this. I don't know where it means how in which format you understood. So I will make you to understand where we are going to take it in the Tableau also in that scenario, that same manner. So let's so my students their files will download that once. Okay, there are student files. So it will help us. It will help you to do this one. Okay. It's getting open in the background by the time. Let me take the attendance, which is given by your side college. Yeah, it is given from your side. So let me open one name. Who's that? She went. Okay. So previous classes I will update in this place. Yes, tell me, ma.
Sir, did you mark me absent for yesterday's class?
What is your name? You tell me once again.
Ankita.
Ankita.
Yes, sir.
When I calling, where you went, ma?
No, sir, I was there. Yesterday you marked me present, but in the beginning of the class when you were sharing your screen,
Huh.
I guess there was written absent in front of my name. I'm
Is
not
it?
sure, but
Yes,
I
Even
think
for you? No, I was calling everyone's two times. I remember that.
not yesterday, sir. Mine is on 23rd. I saw it was marked absent.
yes,
23rd.
sir. In the beginning of the
20,
class, they were
okay,
sharing
okay,
the
wait. I'll check it out. Wait. No. If you're attended means what? So let me 23rd. I would have not taken. Means I have not called for the attendance rate on 23rd. Did I call for the attendance on the 23rd?
no, sir.
No, see, I'll show you why. Okay, so what happened? Here I would have taken the screenshots of that whoever attended the class in this place. In the screenshot on the list, you would have not there. Okay, so that's why it will be not there. So by the time you are disconnected due to the network issue, or you again would have connected. I'll show you that. Right. Okay, this Tableau student is opened. One more fill I have to open. Stop. 23rd, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, one second. So where's the pictures? Share pictures. Camera mouse. Screenshots. Okay, so I think today is 26th. So last I took this is on
Sir, 25th also. Yesterday's one.
yesterday's one. So I'll check what is the details of this. This 23rd. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. So I think into these two names, if your names list is there, okay. See here is there the list is there or not. Kanksha. Your name is Ankita.
Sir,
It's there, no
The
ma.
23rd mine, Vinuta is there, sir.
Sir, 25th.
23rd, sir, mine.
Okay, it
Vinuta.
is there. CK Vinuta is there. CK Vinuta is there. I think Vinuta, you attended in all classes. Why I made it you are absent?
Yes, sir, but when I saw in the beginning of the class, it was marked absent on 23rd. So only I'm there.
Wait. Show you. It's this actually because of that from your college side also they given attendance. The name list they given, and I still are not entered from my side to this one. So I have to shift to that. Seeing the names exactly, I have to shift to that. See here, anything's changed? CK Vinuta, you are present in all class, ma. Why?
Yes, sir, but morning when you, I mean,
That
beginning of
time,
the class,
that time, what I done means, first I copied and pasted that into exactly in this place. Then I realized the names are not there in the order where I've typed like this. So then I've deleted that. Okay. So later I'll see Bhavana
okay, sir.
5 present. Then I will mention that in that place. Okay. So that 4 classes I will after that I will enter. So now as of now here in the 26th, today as attendance, one person would have considered in middle that. Who's that?
Sir, even I was present on 23rd. Ananya.
Ananya, 23rd. It will be there in that mention.
So me, sir, I came in between, sir. My net wasn't. I had some network issues, sir. So I came in between the class, sir.
Okay. So next class I'll show you that once I will enter in this place on this sheet I'll show you. You make the corrections. Okay. And here, Muskan Kaba. Who's that? Can you unmute and talk? Can you unmute? Okay. You will not unmute. Okay. Shakshi. Shakshi. She's not there today. Okay. Absent. Nikata. Correct? Nikat. 100% absent. Tanvi. 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 2 times I'll call, that's it, ma. Vipala Datri. Vipala Datri. Kajal. Kajal. Muskan Kaba. Ayushi Raj Singh. Akanksha.
present, sir.
See, being in that class only, stop how many absents? 3, 6, 7. Ankita, present.
Present,
Hafsan,
sir.
present. Who is this? Shruti. Absent. She's not there from the first class. Vinuta, present. Vinuta, you are there?
Yes, sir, present, sir.
Lydia.
Present.
Will be there. Bhavana.
Present, sir.
Okay, Sanjali. Sanjali. You're there? No. Sanjali absent. Ruhi.
Present, sir.
Mm, Harshita. Sri Harshita. Jaysri. Maddie Jaysri. Ananya.
Present, sir.
Tanya Tirupati.
Present, sir.
Palak.
Present,
Fix your internet issue, Palak. Nowadays, you are not sending assignments. Which mail you are sending.
sir. I'm sending.
It's not
Yeah,
mail
I have
assignments.
sent you the mail.
Not I'm asking mails while class is not class going. Ritika.
Sir, sir, I'm sending. I have sent the screenshot.
Okay, miss, I told you told me internet issue, right? Network issue. Just fix it. I told. Ritika.
Yes, sir.
Ritika, she's there. Okay, so here, if I call the attendance, if I say I'm coming to know how many of you there, and in between, who's that name? Can you spell that? If your friends means
So you didn't call out my
Palak present. Whose name? Ritika.
name in between. I have some network issues, sir. Neha, sir. I came in between. You didn't call out my name now.
Neha. Is there in this name list?
No, sir. I'm not there. Neha Lubna, sir.
No, ma. This is that list which is given by your college. See, this is given by your college.
No, sir.
See, can you see 22? Okay, so it is given from your college side. Okay, previously I was taking everyone, sir. So they given this is the college side. So what I have to give? Okay, let me add your name, not a problem. Tell me.
Neha Lubna, sir. NWHA.
NWHA
LUBNA, sir.
LUBNA. Correct? Is that?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay. So this is given. Just I'll confirm that. I think they told if not, you add it, not a problem, Anta. Just I'll make it.
Okay, sir.
Okay, one second. Just now I entered your name. I mentioned Ritika. Yes. Maddie Jaysri, you're there. Okay, if you say attendance, present. Okay, so you tell me, we will see what is the formula level. So daily classes I'm showing. If I want to count the number of present, how can I count?
Sir, is equal to count ifs,
Count
ifs.
ifs or if?
Sir, I think both will work.
If. What is the difference between the if and ifs?
Sir, if only we can only add one criteria to it, but for ifs we can add multiple criteria.
Good, very good. Okay, so this is a range, and if I want to find out only present, then what I have to do?
Sir, A. Sir, click on any. If you want to count how many are absent today, so you just need to like put
Absent.
A, or
A.
you can.
Present means P. Yeah. So 11 present, but in our chat box, it is saying there are 15 members. Reducing me, there are 14, but 3 are out of control. Okay. So let me save this. Clear, right? So wait 1 second. I'll be sending this small file, just you to revise this, nothing else. Just you to revise this, your formulas and all. your formulas knowledge from that Excel. So which group I'm sending? This message is this. Good evening, sir. This is Maddy Jaysri. I am present, but you marked me as absent. Yes, good evening, madam. But I called 2-3 times. I think again I called one more time, but you're not told me present. So that you are absent. That's it. I called how many times? So I have sent you a file in the group. So please everyone solve that and send me back. Okay. This one. There are 3 sheets in that. First sheet, second sheet, third sheet. All the 3 sheets you solve and just tell send me back. So just where you'll be having a revise on that formulas. Clear? Clear for all?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Bye. Happy weekend. I think tomorrow we don't have class, right?
Sir, do we need
Yes,
to
sir.
send today's work also?
Today's work also. Why putting some raga there? Already you have done right this. However, if I tell also again, we're not going to do that, right? You're going to save that and again send me, right? Export as a PPT and send me. Or else you work better. Okay, today 1 hour you suffer. Tomorrow, Saturday, Sunday, enjoy your weekend. Okay, send me back. Today only don't send. You send on Sunday only, not a problem. Okay. So bye. Enjoy your weekend. I think again we have class on Monday. We will see on Monday. Bye bye. Just go through that once with what I told.
Formulas.
Yeah, formulas. Yeah, formulas. Once you go through the formulas, actually I don't have extra time, or else I would have went through some deep on to the formulas also now itself. Okay. So now we will go. We'll go further. We'll go once we enter into the calculated field. We will start that. Okay. So enjoy. Bye. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Bye. Thank you. Okay, hello. Once again, everyone went? Are there feedbacks, please?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
You give off that, okay? So don't worry, miss, I can't see that, but it's a management. Everyone should give, or else they'll think something. Where I want to give everyone to mention that feedbacks, right? Miss, however, your wish you mention that. Okay, where all who are attending means I'm sending the attendance daily. 17 people present, 15 people present. But only feedbacks goes 2 or 3 means. Okay, it will be not fine, right? Give everyone whatever was there in your suggestions. You mentioned there, okay? And lengthy, write something lengthy word also. Simply instead of writing 1 or 2 words, something describe that how it is going or how it has to be corrected. Anything, everything, whatever you want, you mention there. Okay. Bye, ma. Okay, stop share.